Welcome to Earth and God channel. Ayurvedic lemon pickle. Today, I will introduce you to one of the most essential Ayurvedic remedies for the entire world in the form of a pickle. A delicious Ayurvedic pickle that can be prepared in our homes with lemon, ginger, garlic, pepper, black cumin, turmeric, papaya leaves, pure honey, and curry leaves. This pickle is unique for today's scenario due to its high capability to boost immunity. It is very tasty and liked by everyone. Now let's go to the video. Take 100 medium-size ripe lemon. Wash the lemon in normal water. Then boil 5 liters of water in a vessel and put the washed lemon into the boiling water for 15 minutes. The lemon should be stirred like this. Then drain rinse the lemon again with normal water. Now the lemon is soft and the bitterness is reduced. Once it is cooled, you can chop the lemon into 4 or 8 pieces. Now the lemon is ready for the preparation. See what are the ingredients required. Peeled ginger, half kilogram. Peeled garlic, half kilogram. Pepper, 200 grams. Black cumin, 2 tablespoons. Turmeric powder, 6 tablespoons. Curry leaves, 1 small bowl. Papaya leaves, 1 small bowl. Please note, if the papaya's raw leaves are not available, the skin of raw papaya can be used as a substitute. You see the preparation. Wash and grind the ginger with 2 tablespoons of water. Grind the garlic as well. Grind the black cumin and pepper. Grind the curry leaves and papaya leaves. Now, add the ground ginger, garlic, curry leaves, papaya leaves, powdered black pepper, black cumin, and turmeric powder with the chopped lemon and mix well. Now let us go for the final stage. The ingredients required for the final step: garlic 100 grams, finely chopped. Red chili powder 5 tablespoons. Mustard powder 3 tablespoons. Asafoetida 2 tablespoons. Fenugreek 1 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 3 tablespoons. Vinegar 1 liter. Fresh honey 500 grams. Salt 4 tablespoons. Now let's prepare this. Take 200 milliliter of coconut oil or any cooking oil as per your choice. When the vessel is well heated, pour the oil into the vessel. When the oil is heated, add the finely chopped garlic. When the garlic is lightly browned, mix asafoetida, the powdered mustard and fenugreek. Now add chili powder and turmeric powder. Then mix it well. Now turn off the stove and let it cool. Then combine it with lemon pickle. Now Add vinegar and honey. Add 4 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Salt can be added as needed. Our delicious Ayurvedic lemon pickle is ready. A humble request, please subscribe, like and share this channel by clicking on the subscribe icon below. Thank you.